And a very big welcome to you. You're joining us here virtually online this year for the Ballycastle Christmas Switch-On 2020. What a year it has been. It's a little bit different this year. We're not able to meet up on the street as per normal, but we're so glad that you've tuned in and you're watching us live. We're just waiting on our horse-drawn carriage to make its way up with our special guest, the Mayor of the Causeway Coast Glens. And while we do that, I'll just point out that unfortunately this year we don't actually have Santa Claus on that parade. However, we are going to have a little word with him because I was chatting to somebody and they have given me a very special number which will take me straight through to the North Pole. So let me just see if we can do that. Okay, so we've got his number. I hope it's his number. And it's ringing. It is ringing.
Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Hello, Santa speaking.
Santa, it's Mark Conley. I'm down here in Ballycastle. You were here with me last year, remember?
Oh, hello there. Is everyone well?
We have a lot of boys and girls this year. They've tuned in online, and we wanted to see, have you got a special message for them or anything since you can't be here yourself?
That's lovely. Well, this year, what we've got to do is, now, you know that on Christmas Eve, that I'll be round to where you are, round about, just before that you get up in the morning. So I need you to go to bed early on Christmas Eve and have a big, long sleep. Because in the morning you don't want your mummy up too early because she's got to put the turkey on and get everything ready for Christmas. So she doesn't want you under her feet all day. Now, for presents, there are some new Lego pieces and we've got some new dollies for the ladies. And for the gentlemen, there's new Action Man figures. Lots of Star Wars and lovely new board games. So I hope I get everything that you want. And if you don't you worry yourself about it. But we'll try and get something later in the year. So I'll say goodbye for now. Have a lovely Christmas and a peaceful New Year. And I'll see you all in 2021.
That's great, Santa. Fantastic. Well, listen, you have a very Merry Christmas. I've not talked to you beforehand. And thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so there you go, boys and girls. You've heard it from the main man himself. That's Mr. Santa Claus. So then our very special message to you this year is to shop local, stay local, eat local and support local, and do everything on a local scale. You have lots and lots of wonderful businesses, shops within the town, and we'll look at those a little bit further on. But first of all, I would like to pass you over to the Mayor of the Causeway Coast and Glens Borough Council, Councillor Mark Fielding, who is down at our tree.
Good evening to you all in Ballycastle. I am here for the switch-on of the Christmas lights in the town, which are always a great attraction as we count down to the festive season. It has certainly been a very different year, and it's unfortunate that you cannot join me in person. However, I really hope that you all enjoy our online programme of Christmas events, which will be shared via Facebook and our website instead. Christmas is such a special time of the year for all, but particularly children, as their excitement grows in the run-up to the big day. I have heard from Santa by telephone, and he tells me he cannot wait to visit you all in Ballycastle on Christmas Eve. As your thoughts turn to Christmas shopping, I urge you more than ever this year to support local. Our business community has put measures in place to make sure that you can shop, eat and enjoy local in confidence throughout the borough this Christmas. Ballycastle is a busy seaside town with a fantastic variety of local independent traders where you'll find lots of unique gifts for your friends and family. We all know someone who can be hard to buy for, So why don't you surprise them with our very own Causeway Coast and Glens gift card, which can be spent in any participating outlet throughout Causeway Coast and Glens. These can be purchased online or at one of our visitor information centres, where you can also find a great range of artisan products, many of which are made in our area. The shop windows in Ballycastle are looking very festive in anticipation of this year's Christmas window competition, and we're grateful to all those traders who have helped to create such welcoming scenes. Make sure you take the opportunity to see them for yourself the next time you're in the town. For a number of years now, the Rotary Club members have sold yellow ribbons for the Christmas tree, and I'm delighted to confirm that this initiative will go ahead in a different format this year, despite current challenges. Ribbons can be purchased online, and all money raised will support two very worthwhile local charities, Good Morning Ballycastle and Ballycastle Food Bank. They both play such an important role in the local community, so I hope you all get behind the venture and ensure it's a great success for all involved. Finally, I'm sure you will all join me in offering a special word of thanks to council staff and contractors who have worked so hard to ensure that the tree and lights are ready for the Christmas period. As Mayor of the Causeway Coast and Glens Borough, I want to wish you all a very peaceful Christmas season and a happy new year as we look towards 2021. Keep safe, everyone.
Okay, thank you to our Mayor, Councillor Mark Fielding, for those words. Now we're going to have a little bit of live music for you in the form of a fantastic local band that you will know from all across the North Coast music scene. Ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy Cellar Door.
Good evening, folks. We are Cellar Door. We're here for the virtual Christmas lights switching on. Hope you enjoy the show. Well, this thing called love, I just can't handle it. This thing called love, I must get round to it. I kinda like it, crazy little thing called love. This thing called love, it cries like a cradle all night. It sings, it jives, shakes all over like a jellyfish. You kinda like it, crazy little thing called love. There goes my baby, knows how to rock and roll. She drives me crazy, gives me a hot and cold fever, then she leaves me in a cool, cool sweat. Gotta be cool, relax, get in, get on my track, take a back seat, hitchhike, take a long ride on your motorbike. You kinda like it, crazy little thing called love. Gotta be cool, relax, get in, get on my track, take a back seat, hitchhike, take a long ride on your motorbike. You kinda like it, crazy little thing called love, crazy little thing called love, crazy little thing called love, crazy little thing called love. Hey, thank you. Since this is a Christmas show, and we've got Santa here. Hi Santa, how are you? He's not here. Santa hasn't arrived yet. Doesn't come to the 25th. Here's a wee Christmas song for you all. This one's Slade. Are you hanging up the stockings on the wall? It's time of year Santa has a ball. Does he ride a red-nosed reindeer to a turn-up on a sleigh? To the fairies keeping sober for the day. So here it is, Merry Christmas, everybody's having fun. Look to the future now, it's only just begun. Are you waiting for your family to arrive? Are you sure you've got the room for them inside? Does your granny always tell ya that the old songs are the best? Then she's up and rockin' rollin' with the rest. So here it is, Merry Christmas, everybody's having fun. Look to the future now, it's only just begun. What will your daddy do if he catches mommy kissing Santa Claus? Are you hanging up your stockings on your wall? You too. Time of year, you hope the snow will fall. Did you ride it down a hillside on a bobsleigh you was made? If it lands upon your head, you've been slayed. So here it is, Merry Christmas, everybody's having fun. Look to the future now, it's only just begun. So here it is, Merry Christmas, everybody's having fun. Look to the future now, it's only just begun. So here it is, Merry Christmas, everybody's having fun. Look to the future now, it's only just begun. It's Christmas! Merry Christmas, everyone. Ballycastle, further afield. Thank you very much, and good night.
And that was the fantastic cellar door. Okay, so we are just about ready to switch our lights on here in Ballycastle this evening. But before we do that, as I say, our message is all about supporting local. So let's have a short look at some of the fantastic local businesses that you have on offer here in your town, Ballycastle. Okay, so we are now joined by our Mayor, Councillor Mark Fielding, who's made his way up from the tree and onto the stage here. Mr. Mayor, we've just been having a look at some of the fantastic businesses here in Ballycastle. Can I ask you, will you be shopping in Ballycastle this year?
I certainly will. I do go to it throughout the year, so this will not be any different. So, Mark, I'd like to welcome here to Ballycastle and to Ballycastle. Thank you for being here.
Fantastic. So, I think it is now just about time that we got these amazing lights put on here in the town. Shall we do that?
We shall.
So, it is really such a shame that Santa couldn't be with us this year, but it has been a very different year for an awful lot of reasons. So, we'll just have to do it ourselves and hope for a little bit of magic.
We certainly will, yeah.
At home, I hope you're going to join with us as we get ready to count down from 10,
9,
8,
7,
6,
5,
4,
3,
2,
1.
and the lights are on here in Ballycastle. Merry Christmas to every single one. Hold on, there was another hand in there.
Who was that?
I nearly think it was Santa's hand. Santa must have joined us. Unfortunately, no, he's not. Santa's not on the stage. Well, there you go. That's the magic of Santa, and that's the magic of Christmas. Merry Christmas, Ballycastle. Good
Merry
evening.
Christmas.
Let's have a look at your wonderful lights and have an absolutely fantastic festive season. Good night.